If you notice, you can build a fence, but you can't fence the front of the house. So the front of the house have to remain the same way. So you basically stop the fence at the side. So where it end, yeah, stop it. You can't pass and come in front. Alright? You know, like in a fence your whole yard, you can't do that. Front of the house have to remain, as you can see. Cool. This one where you look on right, so the British flag we fly is actually an Airbnb. Right in front of it, where you see all this, where you see the gazebo, is an Airbnb, and I guess the owners, they built this gazebo over there, so people can go enjoy. You know, when you come at the Airbnb, you can enjoy the place like that and thing. You get me?
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by Bergs, and welcome to another drive into Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? Yours truly, 876 by Bergs, as I just heard in the intro, alright? And right about now, we're currently in the city of Portmore. I don't know my ground, I don't want nobody say, yo, you ever there at Portmore, don't say it. Alright? Yeah, we're currently in the city of Portmore. You see me? Yeah, my ground. And today is a so actually I got to take you to one community called Bayfront Villa, located right here in Portmore. In Bayside, Portmore, right? You know, like when you're going a back road, like in the greater Portmore, you're going a back road, and they say located, you see me? So that's where I'm going to take you today. You see me? Actually, today is a pool day. As you can see, me I ride along with my niece, them there. I ride with me. Yo, I'm going to say hello to the camera. Say hello, say hi. Say hi, Kai. Can you focus on our tablet? So right about now, it's a pool day, as I say, because it's hot today. It's a weekend, it's a Saturday, and it is super hot. So, I say, yo, I take a swim, and I say, yo, I just take them along with me too. You know? Yeah, make them come cool off as well. You see me? Yeah, man. So, we just take the time and make a way. You don't know Portmore City, it's always busy in a Portmore, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, always busy and thing, you see? So what am I going to do? I'm going to go on a little tour of the community when time I reach, alright? Yeah, I think I've done a tour already with a community, but honestly the video did kind of shaky, I never did like it. One whole heap of thing did I go on. Which I'm pretty riding a big road like I eat that. But yeah, over there are my people, you see me? Yeah, man, and we're going to school off in the pool and thing. I might show a little bit of clippings of that. If we don't get to do it, like, wouldn't nobody hold that against me, you see me? Yeah, but I'm going to show the community. It's not a huge community, you know. It's quite small. You see what I say? Yeah. I remember how much also over there, and it built up a long time. I tell you exactly how it. So, which part, where them used to call Forum. We used to have the old hotel there where them claim say did a sink or whatever them said did happen to it over there. So them actually turn it in an apartment, and you also have the condos as well there over there, you see me? So yeah. That's what I take on right about now. So just stay tuned, my people. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Alright? Don't be afraid. Just join the family, you see me? Click the subscribe button and click the little bell. You know YouTube work already. We said it's not every video, plus you know I watch YouTube long time now. Just do the right thing, man. And it's not gonna be a long video either, see? Nice because short video for now, alright? So I'm gonna show it you now fully to the main cam. Then you can go and look out the road and see what I go and see. Yeah, but there I look over one car wash over this account. I need to get the car wash as well too. Probably tomorrow or so or Monday, I don't know, but yeah man people, so just stay tuned while we take on go tour the little community, alright? Currently they are LiQWYD right now. Yeah. Currently they are LiQWYD, you see me? Over from my right side is a little community called Marine Park. People know saying all honesty, well I've been over there, but I've never really like set out for gone over there. I've been over there in a like a taxi. Somebody live over there and them want a little turn off. You know you take Jamaican taxi and them be like, driver big a turn off. You know I get a turn off at Marine Park. Yeah. I'm one of them style, you see me? So yeah, but I don't really know how over the setup like that and thing, you see me? But yeah man. I'm not sure the prices of the house. I know I probably have a whole heap of questions pertaining to it, but honestly, I'm not sure. You see me? I'm not sure the price and them little thing there. Them have like, as I said, them have the apartment building itself. Them have a couple townhouses, and them have the flat them. You see me? Like 2 bedroom. You see me? Yeah. And it's actually it's a community tour, so it's not a house tour, so you won't be seen inside anybody's house. Alright? It's a community tour. Cool? Yeah. Alright, so out just name Bayside. Basically, Portmore distance basically, you know. But them call that section is specifically from right side, them call it Bayside. Alright? Yeah. Turn on it a bit, little bit for me there, little bit, because I wanna copyright in the people and them I watch some YouTube thing. Turn on a little bit more, tap more, little tap more, turn it down. Please. Yeah, thanks. Yeah man, cause them I watch something on YouTube. You know make a kids thing there. And me I wanna copyright. So yeah. So as you can see ahead of you can see the building. Yeah, that's where we're going. As I say, over there use them call it forum. Most people, long time people them we know it as forum. Yeah, that's what it basically called. So them did actually say the land over there sink. I don't know how true that was. things. I don't know. But you know, you come up Portmore, that way you grow hearing. Say the land a sink and blah 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 blah. And yeah. But I don't know how true that is. Alright, but see there, right above the wall, right, they say it's Bayfront villas and apartments. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, them did sell the land and sink and then them sell it to somebody else. So yeah. And the person now develop the place. And in front of it so is an additional to it. So the same property, but they're just building some new apartments. When I do the tour, I'm gonna show you. Hopefully we can see it properly and things. So yeah. Show now. Hold on them people. Alright, people, so we'll soon get back to you because I'm not carrying exactly the people in my yard, you know, so I'll come back to you people in a second, alright? Yeah. So forward. Alright people, so as I explained to you earlier, this is the community of Bayfront Villa, and these are like 2-bedroom condos basically. Alright, yeah. So if you notice, you can build a fence, but you can't fence the front of the house. So the front of the house have to remain the same way. So you basically stop the fence at the side. So where it end, yeah, stop it. You can't pass and come in front. Alright? You know, like in a fence a whole yard, you can't do that. Front of the house have to remain, as you can see. Cool? And you see the people them kinda take them landscaping serious, cause them lawn well manicured and all of that, you know? Yeah. And then at the back, I would think that you can do addition at the back. I'm not sure though. But just past our house door on the left side where addition did it. In front of me there's a way I see those houses. I think they were built like that. You get me? Because if you notice the style, everything is the same. And guess what people? The beauty about this community is Caribbean Sea is right there. Yeah, so if you have a boat, a yacht, whatever you want to call it, you can pull up or sail up at your yard. You see me? Yeah, pull up in a yacht. Rich lifestyle, you see me? The only drawback with the community I want to say, because it's right there at the seaside, the rust. So I guess for maintain like the grill them and them thing there, yeah, that part of it is serious, my people. You see me? Yeah man, the part of it is serious, you get me? Yeah man, so you find say the thing them kinda deteriorate. But I guess you have paint and them thing the way you can use and paint them for make them, you know? Yeah. You can paint them for kinda make it last a little bit longer. As I tell you, these houses now we get like a townhouse style. I think these houses were built like that. You see me? Yeah. Were built like that. Now right us up on the sea where we look over, we actually look straight out of that actually downtown, down at them place there. And you have Petro Jam over the side there where we are looking all that, and further to right a Port Royal. You know, the airport and all them good places there, yeah. When we come back, I guess we get a better view of it. You see me? So yeah, my people. As you can see, as I said, these houses that they were built like this, because they said the style are the same. It's like what they would have called cookie cutter. Cookie cutter, like, you know, everything are the same style. Yeah. I'm not sure how much bedroom these townhouses are, but there might be like 3 bedrooms, maybe even more. I'm not sure. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom probably. I'm not sure, isn't it? And then a lot of these houses over here as well, people, they are used for Airbnb. Isn't me? Yeah, because this one where you look on right, so the British flag we fly is actually an Airbnb. Right in front of it, where you see all this, where you see the gazebo, is an Airbnb, and I guess the owners, they built this gazebo over there, so people can go enjoy. You know, when you come at the Airbnb, you can enjoy the place like that and thing. You get me? Yeah, you just go chill and full joy yourself. And it have about, let's say, 2 docks, where, you know, a dock them call it, or pier, somewhere where the thing can pull up, as you can see out there. Thing can pull up, your boat can pull up, and you know, you can come in and thing. Yeah, actually have that. And there are persons out here fishing. I'm not sure how good the camera do, how good of a job the camera do for pick them up, but persons out there fishing. Me actually fish too already couple times, you see me? Yeah, catch 2 little tiki, you know? Yeah, man. Catch 2 little tiki. Out there, so in front of where we are, look at the sweet spot. That out there, so my sweet spot. Out there, so we catch my fish there, you see me? Yeah. But as I said, the beach there, you see me? You actually can't go to the beach. Water seem a bit rough right now, to tell you the truth. Yeah, the water is a bit rough. Honestly, it is. You see me? But yeah, people, as I say, gated community and all of that. Right out there, we have the, oh my god, what is that? A dock or is it a pier? But that area where the boat, them would have pull up and hop off of the boat and walk come in, that's a security post out there. So not because you see it like this means anybody can have access and all of that. You get what I say? The place is secured. They have patrols and all of that as well. They have, you know, regular patrol. Regular patrol. May I tell you now? You understand? So yeah, have regular patrol and thing out there. So it is pretty much secure. And I'm pretty sure you people have seen beachfront properties in other places in the world. You don't know. You have Miami right there, so we have a whole heap of beachfront property, and I pretty much the same thing. You get what I say? The house there right at the seaside. You understand? Up at Hillshire, the same thing. Them have beachfront property, house there right at the seaside. You get me? So yeah, there are the persons out there fishing. Out there, so a Port Royal, the land where you see out there, so are basically Port Royal land. You understand? Behind away, back road. If you can hear that truck there pass. But yeah, that's a back road right there, so you see me? But a man out there so know a fish, him have him net, and him have him rod them, him set. There's also a female. Yeah, she a try a thing, you know? Yeah, the water kinda rough right now still, people, but as me say, yeah man, nice community. Welcome and nice, quiet. Me never hear of nothing too tough. Oh, this a man I go swing him net. Throw him net. Yeah man, I never hear of nothing too tough out there. You understand? Yeah, never hear of nothing too tough happening. I never heard of anything happening here. You see me? Now, as we are go this direction, folks, I do apologize if the glare from the sun is affecting the quality of the video. I'm so sorry. There's not much I can do about it. There isn't anything I can do about it. You see me? Hopefully the camera do its thing and I filter out the light, so at least we can have a fair enough video quality still. But yeah, the building now slightly to the left, that was the hotel. You understand? Yeah, that was the hotel, people. It's no apartments. Yeah, people live in it as well too. You know, yeah man, persons living there and thing. See? Yeah. Yeah, people live in there and thing, you see me? Yeah. Now I haven't seen any house over here for sale, to tell you the truth. I haven't. I've seen a lot on Airbnb, but really not for sale. Yeah, I haven't seen any for sale. So I'm not sure of the price, like how much the value of these houses are. I'm not too sure. But the gazebo look real nice, you know, people. Yeah, man, the gazebo look really nice. And just for kind of give you an idea about the fencing again, if you look straight ahead in front of it, even slightly on the right side, or maybe straight in front of it, because maybe the glare now make the right side show properly, probably. But straight ahead in front of it, when you look, you can see where the fence stops. So that is it. You have to stop the fence right at the ending of your house. You can't come to the front. You understand? It's not allowed, I guess, that in them covenant, you know? Yeah, so it's not allowed. So the fence have to stop right beside the edge, and you left the front part, and you probably can pave a driveway, or probably the driveway is being paved. I'm not even too sure about that, you know? Yeah. But really nice and quiet community, people. Really would I love to get to know feedback on this, and make like, could you tell me what you think about the community? Is this a place that you would live? Let me know. Is it me drop it in the comment section and tell me if you would have live here. Tell me if you think it too open up, if you feel like people can just barge in your community. You know? Would you consider this as a gated community based on the fact that the ocean there and it open up to the world? You get what I say? Would you consider it to be secured and all of that? Let me know in the comment section. Right there, before you get to the high rise, is the pool. So the pool is right there. Right this section there is actually the pool house. You know, the pool is there, a couple persons are there lounging and stuff, and as me telling you in the beginning of the video, we're about to take them for a dip in the pool too. You know the thing go already, you see me? Yeah, man, we're about to take them for a little dip in the pool and thing, you see me? Yeah, cause it's hot, like, me know what go on, people, like right now Jamaica hot. Like Jamaica super hot, yo. I don't know why or what really take place, but it's hot. Big man thing. You see me? Yeah, man. Personally, I got park. I thought they were coming, and they might be coming, you know, but I'm afraid. But yeah, true, me I take my time, me that tell them to come down, but you know, true, my right away. I guess them just want to wait. Somebody right there said this look like a jet ski. Them have wrap up. Yeah, like a little jet ski. Them have wrap up. Also, the community have a bit of amenities, you know. They have a little play area for the kids them, like a little park, you know, for the kids them and thing. Yeah, I go swing by around there, so swing by the entrance of the apartment so you actually can see it. Yeah, and take out some of that glare out of the eye, cause you know the sun are going away. But yeah, Jamaica hot, people. Like, I don't know, it's hot. Like compared like for that time of year, yeah. You see me? Yeah, we know we only celebrate. We only have 2 seasons, which are winter and summer Jamaica still. But normally April is so hot, people. I'm telling you the truth. But yeah, straight ahead in front of me. Or I could start on the right side. So right is really the play area. As you can see, I have a basketball court. Them have a few little things set up. If you want to do little stretches and things, you can actually do that. And you have the little slide and so on, swing and all of that. See? Yeah. So the in front of me now are some new set of apartment them there where them are built. It's actually part of this property are just the same. Yeah, man, but you know them fence around the construction site. But yeah, based on what I understand, That gonna be one property because them say the same owner for the land and thing. I might be wrong, I might be right. I am not sure. If you have facts about it, you can drop in the comment section because you know so over here so we always glad for information, isn't it? So yeah. But this almost done, as you can see. Painting go on and all of them things. I guess them a fine tune from the inside and thing and you know outside. Basically like would I say 90% done paint. You get me? Just a few more areas left to touch out and things, you see me? So yeah. It's soon ready. Soon ready people, you see me? Yeah man, it's soon ready. So right this now would that be the entrance. Right this now would that be the entrance to the apartment itself. Yeah, you come here. This is where you enter for going to the lobby and all of that. You understand? Yeah, right. This is on my right side. If you look more to the right, it's closer. We are closer to the pool. Understand the pool house as me telling you the right there, so and all of these things and such. You get me? So yeah. Alright, just so now give you a better view or a next view, a different angle of the apartment. So yeah. Maybe alright to say you would go for enter over that side there. You know? So yeah. So as I'm telling you, so around so basically Bayside in a Portmore. Yeah. Where we used to what them call forum. Basically. Alright? Yeah. I try to get close to the local recreational area. And also, you know, for ball game roll over here night time too, you know. Yeah man, night ball play right this up on the turf this, so you see it? Yeah man, night ball game roll man. Oh you see man, you see like them. Place well bright at night time and ball game roll man, you see it? Yeah, right so this are just what them have for the kids them and stuff. I don't know if over there so when the apartment they done, if them gonna have one closer to over there so, or maybe them gonna like spruce up that one, you know? Yeah. You know what I mean by spruce up, right? Jamaican terms, you see me? Yeah man. Or kinda upgrade it then for who don't know what I mean by spruce up, you see me? Oh yeah my people. So this is it, you know. There you have it in a bayfront villa and apartments located in Bayside, and that's in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Alright? Yeah. And I just want to say welcome to all of the new people them, you know, like all the new viewers them, you know, all of the new subscribers them and all that. Yeah. Just to say yo, welcome and big up on yourself man, and you know the thing, you see me? Yeah man, bless up on yourself man. And I don't know. We appreciate the support and all of that, you get me? Yeah man, we appreciate the support and the love. You get me? Anybody where they are Jamaica we see them palm here, them name Pygmy Date Palm. Anybody who have none, link me up in the comment section. I need some. Please. Yeah man, just sell it whatever you do, just link me up in the comment section. See? Yeah. So again, I say be sure to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah man, but drop your comments people. I want to hear feedback on that one, please. I want to hear some feedback on that one. What wanna think about this? You know that live over here, you know that spending the money. I guarantee you say them house have way more than $25 million right now. Because houses like these that are being built right now in Jamaica, they must start at like 23 million. So they may probably sell for probably like 35 mil or somewhere there about. And more than likely them also when them sell, them are gonna quote the price in a US dollar. You see me? So yeah. Somewhere there about. Yes, right. Yeah, you get it? Yeah. But remember now one thing, as we can see still a huge land space them get to, you know, they don't really get no big land space like that. You see what I say? No, nothing like that them not get. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, and as you can see there's an airplane landing in a Portmore. Because the airport they right that's across the sea what we just showed, you know. So in a Portmore you find the flyover with the airplane thing them. Yeah, but it's not a nuisance. You know, like some places where I live and you live close to the airport is like a nuisance. No, I know nothing like that. Like even if you hear the plane, you hear it, but no, you just hear it and we hear it. You hear an airplane. You see me? Yeah. Neil just up the tongue this up. But yeah, I don't know where I gonna affect you like that or whatever. And if you're in a house and you lock up, you don't necessarily even hear them. You understand? Yeah. You don't even necessarily hear it. Alright? But as I said to you still people, the only drawback for me see is the actual fact say the place the salt water. That's like the only drawback for me see is the salt water, because the damage, yeah, that are really the only drawback for me see. So I'm just carrying to go to the end one more time and make a quick spin and come back. Understand there's also a boat coming in, fisherman boat, yeah. Because as I tell you, they are back road have a little fishing village where fishermen them come in and thing. So like all tomorrow morning with a Sunday morning, you go find say people are gonna come round us around a back road. Not in the community, you know, but round a back road, people are gonna come buy fish. Because I'm say them have a fishing village, you get me? So yeah. And trust me, a whole heap of people in the pool. Whole heap of people, whole heap of kids around there. Whole heap of people in the pool around there. And it's a good size pool too. I might go na a video around there. Might give like a 1 minute clip or so. Just so you can get a feel of the pool and see how it actually stay and is it? Yeah. Might. It's a big enough size pool, and I think it's over 6 feet. That's the deepest. Like probably about 6'2" or 6'3". Yeah, I think that is it basically. All right. Yeah, probably about 6'2" or 6'3". Hey, she just threw her line while ago and she make a really good show, you know. She make a really good show. Nah, but like way out. I hope she get some bite over there and she not just waste her time, cause you know. Yeah, but she made a really good show a while ago. Oh, she really did nothing on it, or is a small fish on it? Alright, look like nothing on it. Alright my people, so yeah, there you have it. A quick tour, alright? So as I say, you just bless upon yourself, give thanks to all of the regular viewers them as well. You know the people them always a view, always a comment. Una too much for me mention right now. Trust me, una too much. some of you there from a long time and just start a comment and thing to you. But nothing wrong, me appreciate it same way. Bless up on yourself, man, you see me? Yeah, man, bless up on yourself same way, man. We know the thing go. You see me? We don't have no questions and them little thing that still can ask me, because I know I can try research it and come back with the answer for you too. You see me? So even though I say, yo, I don't know one thing and thing, you know, so I can still check out that phone and still. You see me? Yeah. But right about now, I go just grab them kids there and yeah. Grab them and head in the water, you know, people. They say thing there right now, you know, I tell you the truth. Yeah. Grab them and go in the water right now. Cause me myself, I'm a hot to people, I tell you, I'm hot. Alright, the beeping there, you know, say I chew me now on the seatbelt, right? Yeah. Alright, so look more people. Bless up on yourself. Say, manners and respect.